Significant innovation on the planet falls into a few containers. I characterize innovation as the study of efficiency. It is the capacity to accomplish something more with less. In this way, it doesn't need to be identified with programming. Yet, for this answer I will keep it basic and identified with programming. First we should discuss equipment. Equipment is comprised of PCs, workers, cell phones and significantly more. Doesn't seem like much, yet the back finish of each piece of innovation is online in view of equipment, basic foundation. It empowers our cell phones to work so easily. Sometimes, nearly work like wizardry. Presently programming is the subsequent classification. It is the application layer for equipment. There are a large number of approaches to empower equipment to improve usefulness with extraordinary programming. The Tesla vehicles are a genuine illustration of this. Great programming or incredible equipment alone isn't sufficient to make a self-driving vehicle. You need keen PCs and shrewd gadgets cooperating. You can see where I'm going with this. Presently pause for a minute to consider what's in your home. Today we have the Nest indoor regulator, brilliant lights and obviously the mobile phone in your grasp. Every one of these gadgets require an alternate piece of programming. Furthermore, that is only the working framework. On the off chance that you incorporate the extra layer, i.e., application programming, there are unlimited freedoms. Anyway, what's my point? Anyway, what's the main piece of innovation? To be straightforward, I don't have a clever response. Along these lines, I'll say one trendy expression. Distributed computing. The capacity to get to workers online from any place on the planet is mind-blowing. It's significant yet not attractive. A long time back, it cost a great many dollars to set up workers and workplaces at home. Today I approach a limitless measure of figuring power from any single gadget. Joined with limitless data transmission and admittance to fast web on my telephone, I appear to be a wizard. In this way, distributed computing is the main innovation to me right now. In the event that you preferred this reaction, you can discover more substance on the Tech Financier and pursue my speculation pamphlet.